Where are you? Where are you? Kasih. Shanupidon. Shanupidon. I am here. I am here. Kasih. Ngadon hangne. Where is the mother? Where is the mother? Kasih. Shanu imei. Shanu imei. The mother is in the kitchen. The mother is in the kitchen. Kasih. Imei idon hayeng saja. Imei idon hayeng saja. Where are my clothes? Where are my clothes? Kasih. Shanu kitchen jonga. Shanu kitchen jonga. The clothes are on the table. The clothes are on the table. Kasih. Kitchen kidon halor meat. Kitchen kidon halor meat. Where are you going now? Where are you going now? Kasih. Shanu pinlek menta. Shanu pinlek menta. I'm going to the court. Kasih. Nganlek saying kasari. Where are you sending this letter? Where are you sending this letter? Kasih. Shanu pinpa yakane kashiti. Shanu pinpa yakane kashiti. I'm sending it to Delhi. Kasih. Nganpa yaka shadarhi. Where do you park your vehicle? Where do you park your vehicle? Kasih. Pisat hang no yaka kali jongpi. Pisat hang no yaka kali jongpi. I park my vehicle in the garage. I park my vehicle in the garage. Kasih. Ngasat yaka kali jonga Hasan. Where is this bus going? Where is this bus going? Kasih. Shanu kane ka bus kan lek. Shanu kane ka bus kan lek. This bus is going to Nongsten. This bus is going to Nongsten. Kasih. Kane ka bus kan lek sa Nongsten. Kane ka bus kan lek sa Nongsten. Where can I get down? Where can I get down? Kasih. Hang no ngala ban hiar. Hang no ngala ban hiar. You can get down at my rang. You can get down at my rang. Kasih. Pila ban hiar ha my rang. Pila ban hiar ha my rang. Which one is the best hotel here? Which one is the best hotel here? Kasih. Kano ang ni kadai ka hotel kaba Batam. That one is the best hotel. That one is the best hotel. Kasih. Katai kadai ka hotel kaba Batam. Katai kadai ka hotel kaba Batam. Which state you have come from? Which state you have come from? Kasih. Nakajala ayupiwan. Nakajala ayupiwan. I have come from Nagaland. I have come from Nagaland. Kasih. Ngalawan nakajala Nagaland. Ngalawan nakajala Nagaland. Which way will you go home? Which way will you go home? Kasih. Nakano kalanti pinlek saying. Nakano kalanti pinlek saying. I shall go by this way. I shall go by this way. Kasih. Ngan lek nakane kalanti. Ngan lek nakane ka nanti. Whom do you want to meet? Kasih. Yano pikwa ban ya kendo. I want to meet the owner of this house. Kasih. Ngakwa ban ya kendo. Utrai kane kaying. Whom do you want to talk to? Kasih. Yano pikwa ban grand. I want to talk to the manager. I want to talk to the manager. Kasih. Ngakwa ban keren ya manager. Ngakwa ban keren ya manager. To whom did you give that check? To whom did you give that check? Kasih. Hano pila ai ya kedo ka check. Hano pila ai ya kedo ka check.